Alright, next part, I found the glass eyes. I haven't adhered them in yet, but I'm working on the kind of lobster claw mouths here on the side of the my photo of the land. Okay. Hang on. I'm using 2 hands, so I'm going to turn this off. I'll video again after they're done. Alright. How are we doing, budgies? Okay, everybody good? That's Blanche right there. Yellow-green one. We're listening to Georges Moustaki, the late French singer, born in Alexandria, Egypt, of Greek-Jewish parents. Le temps de vivre. The time of life.